Air compressor compress the air tank with accessory. Pre-expander control system can set foaming density, steam pressure and foaming temp according to customer requirements. The density can be up to 4 to 60 kg per cubic meter. The process time is 2 to 3 minutes per cycle. Two kinds of pre-expanders, continuous tap and batch tap. The continuous tap model is 40, 70 and 90. The batch tap model is 460, 800, 1100, 1200 and 1400. The capacity can be up to 50-600 kg per hour. After raw materials pulling into hopper, the expander controls material in automatically. The materials will expand by steam heating. After up to side temp and density, the expander puts formed materials into fluid dust bed to dry automatically. Fluid dust bed will remove water.